something a little bit different here. A bit of a challenge. Here we go. And a bit of soup here. A little bit different from what I did before with the video with coffee, different location. And I figured why not on a winter day, but ain't much to do. A little bit of soup here. Good winter. Good huge in winter on a Sunday like I said. Wait for the water to boil. I know the cup will be hot, so could be fun. Been a while since I did a video like this, but I figured why not. Yeah, my little one of my folding stoves with the little charcoal briquettes. I mean, probably the flames, kind of nice. So, take a bit for the water to boil, but I don't mind. Something to do, to wait, and see. I just thought there, take it longer to boil along that line. But why not? Take a bit for it to go. And I got myself another little get-home bag, packed it different, with the knife. Some stuff in your coffee, knife, case blankets, and of course our cord. Turned out with my pouch here, probably feeding Alf in my F-well bag. So them three combinations, well, be nice. Survive for a bit more of a challenge during the winter to do stuff. But never know, I wouldn't like this on a Sunday. Like, why not? Something to do. Gets me out of the house for a bit. See what the weather's like. About it, you know. When we spend a Sunday afternoon. And been planning to do a video for a while for the Bushcraft channel. Well, here it is. And the flame's still going, just where it gets just about out. See how the water gets. Oh yeah, it's warm. Oh. this in. Get it all stirred up. Like things together. Like I told my fellow venture equipment, always get them together when done. Put them back face on them. Which I'm about to do that. You might be the bag here and go right back into the bag. That way I know where it is for the next time. I mean, I'd be like spot, but it's in there. Here we go, that's done. And the flames are out and warm. So let it sit for a few more minutes. Get the noodles and everything softened up. And then to eat it. Might need a spoon again, but I know where it is. So until then, peace, love, and harmony, and love thy neighbor, and see you in the next video.